It can't be far off now if it's coming through. It's got to come through, surely. Yeah, great view, isn't it? Yeah. Sean, yeah. Oh, here we are. Look at this. Oh, come on. Coming right at us. Get in there! Hey, look at that! What a pass that was! Oh, God, that was low. It must have only been about 200 foot above my head, that. Lovely. It's 7:15 at night. I've had a blank today. It's been shocking, but hopefully, end of the day, I've got an A400 here that might be saving the day. I thought it was going to come around the loop, but it turned right towards Ballot after bulk. But then, if you look, it seems to be swooping back round and coming down towards the loop. So I'm going to keep my eye on that. I've been watching this A400 and it looks like it definitely is going to come through the loop. It's only about 5 minutes away now. So I'll record it and then put it on the back of this video. So hopefully we'll get an A400 to save the day. It's now 7:15 at night. So this should be a cracking pass. Enjoy! Hi folks, 7:15. This A400 is looking like it's coming through. It's just north of Cad East and Cad West. It's travelling around about 700 feet. It went up through bulk and then turned right for Bala, and then it swung round to Blaenau Ffestiniog, and it's coming back through now. So I'll start recording. I'll keep recording. It should be around about 4 minutes away, so I'll keep recording and we should get a fantastic pass here at the end of the day to save the day, because I've had a blank. Lakenheath was shut today, I believe, and I think Conisbee. I saw some typhoons, but somebody said Conisbee was shut, but I've not even had any Texans or Hawks or anything. So this A400 is going to be a cracking end to the day to make up for it, especially at this time, about 7:20. So I'll keep recording. We should see it come through the valley there, just between them two trees, and they'll go right over the top of me. So I'll just stay quiet for a bit because I just need to listen out for it. It's definitely, if it goes through Cad East and Cad West, it'll definitely come this way. I'm just hoping it doesn't go turn for Bala again. So just keep your eyes peeled between them trees and you'll see it come through the valley. Great spot this. This is Corris, which is about 3 miles from Cad East, Cad West. 4 miles from Cad East, Cad West. And just after Corris. But it's a great spot because the planes come straight through the valley here and straight over the top. And they'll probably be around about when it comes over through here, probably about 400 feet, I would say, and probably going around about 120 knots. Just hoping it doesn't let me down, because it was not far away at all. It should be coming through, I'd say, in the next minute or so. So I'll keep recording. It's been 3 minutes now. I reckon it was about 5 minutes away, so I reckon 2 more minutes it should be here. Come with my wife today, my missus, and she's sat behind me. I just turn around then, she's looking at me like I've gone crazy. It's only a plane, she says. Only a plane. You love it. It's not only a plane. It's an A400. It's going to stay quiet now. It definitely should be in the next minute or so. If it is coming this way. It won't go back through bulk clockwise. So if it's coming down to Cad East, Cad West, I can't, unless it goes straight on from Cad West. But I'd have thought it'd turn left for Corris and go back down towards Brize Norton, because that's where it's come from. Here it is. Oh, what a beauty. Look at that. Saves the day. Hey Sarah, yeah I know. I thought that should have gone live. I thought it's coming down, should have gone live. Knowing my luck, I'll go live and nothing's going to happen. But I'm determined. I'm not going anywhere until this comes through. So they better hurry up. Because this is only the second live video I've ever done. I've got to admit, it is a bit nerve-wracking. It's like thinking, what can you talk about for 20 minutes? I don't know how these people go live for like 3 hours. I don't know how they find things to talk about. But especially on a quiet day when no aircraft are coming through. But if Gavin's right, it shouldn't be that long before it appears. Here it is. Here we go, folks. Look at that beauty. I'll stay quiet. Get in. Save the day, that did. I was dreading going live and it not coming through. It's now 2 o'clock and A400 has just come over Chester on its way towards, it looks like towards Bala. Now if that's the case, it's very likely it's going to go straight across Bala, straight into Cad East, Cad West. So I'm just keeping my eye on that. Oh, can hear something. Here we go. Here we go, folks. Right at us. Pass, beautiful. So the heads up was right again. That's nice to see at least. Lovely.